Do you also want to become a pilot in India but have no idea if you're eligible, what courses to take, what examinations to give? Then let me give you a step by step breakdown on how to become a pilot very simply under 5 minutes. First of all, who can become a pilot? You have to be at the minimum age of 17 as well as be medically fit. You must have physics or maths in your 10 plus 2, but just in case you did not have physics or maths in your 12th, don't worry. You can easily take an exam with the NIOS and then apply to become a pilot. Now, how do we make sure we are medically fit to become a pilot? There's two aspects for it. There's medical class 2 and there's class 1 medical. First, you have to take your class 2 medical to make sure you are physically fit by any DGCA approved doctor, and through that, you can start taking your classes.
For a class 2 medical, they test your vision and hearing as well as your general physical exam and basic test. Whereas for a class 1 medical, they test your vision, hearing, cardiovascular health, your mental health assessment, which is the psychological evaluation, as well as your general health, which includes blood tests, urine tests, and check for illnesses like diabetes or hypertension.
Class 1 medical can be taken afterwards. Now that if you are eligible, what other steps do you take? You have to get a computer number. It's basically a student pilot ID, and you cannot take your DGCA exams without that computer number. What documents you need are a 10th and 12th mark sheet,
Your board verification,
as well as your ID proof, which is Aadhaar or a passport, etc., a passport size photo, as well as a signature. So this computer ID usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks to come, but if you are already affiliated with a DGCA ground school, they usually help you get the ID way quicker, maybe in a week or less than a week. Also, people make very common mistakes while applying for their computer number, which are mismatched documents or blurry uploads or incorrect subject details. So there's a very big chance of your computer number being rejected if you do it yourself. So I would suggest to do it with a certified ground school, which will help you a lot. Now that you've gotten your computer number as well as your class 2 medical, you can start taking your ground school classes. You can apply for any ground school nearby which has a good reputation. The subjects that you need to take are air regulation, navigation, meteorology, RTR, and technical general. These are the subjects you have to give your exams for with the DGCA to get your commercial pilot license. This usually takes about 6 to 8 months on average, and once you've completed all your exams, you can start researching for reputed flying school to complete your journey. So once you've found your DGC approved flying school, you have to complete 200 hours of
flying over there in an actual aircraft.
and after the completion of that, you can get your commercial pilot license. And obviously at this point, you have to take your class 1 medical as well, which is done at a DGC approved center, which is more detailed. For the cost breakdown,
I would say in India, if you're doing the entire thing, it would cost around 50 to 70 lakhs.
but if you're doing it abroad, it would go up to 70 to 1 crore. Now, once you've got your commercial pilot license, you can start applying for airlines which have their vacancies open. You can also do type rating for specific aircrafts,
Which would cost about 15 lakhs more.
Now, the first job you would get is a first officer, and the starting salary for that is 1.5 to 3 lakh a month. It varies, and the growth also depends on how many flying hours you have. So, if you are serious about becoming a pilot in India, check out 17 Knots Aviation for your ground classes. We also hold regular free webinars where we clear all your pilot queries and aviation doubts about how to become a pilot after 12th. So be on the lookout for that. If you want to take a demo for the ground classes to see how the classes actually work, how the airline instructors actually teach, then definitely contact us. Our number is in the description below.